We could talk about our high-quality products, whether lubricating greases and oils, anti-friction coatings or coolants. We could watch them being mixed, lovingly filled into barrels, sealed, packed and stored. We would like to introduce our 650 employees from over 25 countries who have made us what we are today, a leading supplier of high-quality industrial lubricants. And not only through experience, but also through our outlook on the future. We offer tailor-made and innovative product solutions for every challenge in over 80 countries.